Hello students. Now we are going to see the examples. These examples are given in your textbook on page number 241. After this we will see the MCQs on this chapter also. See the first example. Calculate the frequency in megahertz of a radio wave of wavelength 250 meter. Remember that the speed of all EM waves in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, so student, in this example we have to find out the frequency in megahertz. Okay, and wavelength is given to you, that is 250 meter. Okay, then one more thing is given, that is speed of all EM waves in vacuum. It is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So see this example. What is wavelength? Lambda, that is 250 meter. Speed of all EM waves in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find out here frequency of radio waves, that is nu. Okay, so what is the which formula we are going to use? Speed of EM wave is equal to frequency into wavelength. Okay, so C is equal to nu into lambda. So what is nu? Nu is equal to C by lambda, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 250. Students, this value we are getting, this one, ये value हमें मिलता है. Okay, so 1 megahertz, this conversion factor we studied, that is 1 megahertz is equal to 10 to the power 6 hertz. Okay, so what is the value of nu? Nu is equal to 1.2 megahertz. इसका मतलब 1 मेगाहर्ट्ज देखो कितना है, 10 रेज़ टू 6 हर्ट्ज. तो ये जो हमें वैल्यू मिला है, यहाँ पे मुझे डेसिमल पॉइंट शिफ्ट करना होगा आफ्टर 6 डिजिट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज न्यू? न्यू इज इक्वल टू 1.2 मेगाहर्ट्ज. सो व्हाट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ रेडिएशन ऑफ वेवलेंथ 250 मीटर? दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 1.2 megahertz. I think students, this example is clear. Let's see the next one. Next example number 2. Calculate the wavelength in nanometer of X-ray wave of frequency 2 into 10 to the power 18 hertz. Now in this example we have to find out wavelength. Okay, frequency is given to you. It is also the same example. Now see here, what is the value of frequency? Frequency is 2 into 10 to the power 18 hertz. What we have to find out? What we have to find out here? Wavelength. Wavelength means lambda. So speed of EM wave is frequency into wavelength. So C is equal to nu into lambda. Again student, put the values. C is 3 into 10 raised to 8. Then lambda remains as it is because we have to find it out. And value of nu is 2 into 10 to the power 18. So what is lambda? Lambda is C by nu. So lambda is 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 2 into 10 to the power 18. So students, see here, 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5, and 10 to the power 18 which is present in the denominator, if you shift it in the numerator, so 8 minus 18, you are getting 10 to the power 10. So 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, this is the value of lambda. Okay, but we know that nanometer, 1 nanometer is equal to how much? 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, so according to this relation we are going to convert our answer. That means I am going to shift the decimal points towards left side, so I am getting 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So the answer is 0.15 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So in this way the wavelength we are getting as a 0.15 nanometer. Okay, so I think student, this example number 2, it is also clear. Now see the next example number 3. The speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Calculate the frequency of red light of wavelength 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Student, again the same example. Here they given speed of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8. One more thing, that is wavelength. Then wavelength of red light, it is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. देखो स्पीड दिया है, वेवलेंथ दिया है, क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? फ्रीक्वेंसी न्यू. फिर से हमने वही किया. We are going to put here, we are going to put the value of C. हमने C का value put up किया. Nu remains as it is and lambda is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. So what is nu? Nu is nothing but C by lambda. Okay, so it is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. Students, if you solve this, you are getting the answer 0.46 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, because In the denominator you are getting -7. If you shift it in the numerator you are getting 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is nothing but 15, and 3 upon 6.5, the answer is 0.46. Okay, so if we apply here the rule of significant figure, then we are getting 4.6 into 10 to the power minus 14 meter. Okay, so wavelength of red light is how much? It is 4.6 into 10 to the power minus 14 meter. Okay, so students, this red line you neglected because it is I think it is a mistake. Wavelength of red light is 0.15 meter. Neglect this. Your answer is this one only, that is lambda is equal to 4.6 into 10 to the power minus 14 meter. See the next one, example number 4. Calculate the wavelength of microwave of frequency 8 GHz. अब देखो यहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंसी आपको कितना दिया है? गीगाहर्ट्ज. गीगाहर्ट्ज, गीगा मतलब 10 टू द पावर 9. ओके, एंड हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? वेवलेंथ. देखो अभी गिवन, व्हाट इज गिवन? फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ माइक्रोवेव, it is 8 gigahertz. In the form of hertz it is 8 into 10 to the power 9 hertz. What we have to find out? Wavelength of microwave, that is given by lambda. Now see the solution. Microwave, it is what? It is nothing but the electromagnetic wave, and it is also traveling with the speed of light. So so what is the speed of EM wave? Speed of EM wave is nothing but frequency into wavelength. So C is equal to nu into lambda. Again the same thing we are doing. Lambda is equal to C by nu. That means it is 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 8 into 10 raised to 9. So 3 by 8, it is 0.0375. But student, here the answer given in the textbook, it is in the form of centimeter. So that's why I convert 0.035 meter into centimeter, and your answer is 3.75 centimeter. So in this question the wavelength of microwave is 3.75 centimeter. Okay student, this is also one of the very simplest problem. Now see the next problem. It is in a EM wave the electric field oscillates sinusoidally at a frequency of 2 into 10 raised to 10 hertz. What is the wavelength of wave? Student, same example it is. So in this example we have to find out wavelength. देखो क्या दिया है? फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया है 2 into 10 to the power 10 hertz. वेवलेंथ कैलकुलेट करना है. सो वेवलेंथ मीन्स लैम्डा. अगेन लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू सी बाय न्यू. देखो सी का वैल्यू कितना दिया है? सी का वैल्यू कितना होता है? 3 into 10 raised to 8. न्यू इज 2 into 10 raised to 10. 10 को ऊपर शिफ्ट कर दो. 8 minus 10, that is 10 raised to minus 2, and 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. Okay, so student, this example you try. This example is for homework. Now see the next one. See this example is the amplitude of magnetic field part of magnetic field part of a harmonic EM wave in vacuum is B0 is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla. What is the amplitude of the electric field part of that wave? Okay, so students, we know one thing, that electromagnetic wave, it is nothing but the combination of electric field and magnetic field. Here they given the amplitude of magnetic field, which is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Speed again the same, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, so what we have to find out here? Here we have to find the amplitude of electric field part. मतलब मैग्नेटिक फील्ड दिया है और हमें इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का पार्ट फाइंड आउट करना है. So in properties of electromagnetic waves we studied this property, that is the instantaneous magnitudes of E and B in an electromagnetic waves are related by the relation C is equal to E upon B. So what is E? E is equal to CB, because B लेफ्ट साइड में ट्रांसफर होगा तो C से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. सो E is equal to C into B. So we are getting 3 into 10 raised to 8 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, तो देखो स्टूडेंट 10 raised to 8 into 10 raised to minus 7, it is nothing but 10 raised to 1, and 5 3s are 15. So 15 into 10 raised to 1 volts per meter. 10 raised to 1 is 10, so 15 into 10, it is nothing but 150. Okay, so students, in this way we finish the numericals, unsolved numericals which are given in the textbook. Okay, these numericals are based on EM waves part. Okay, communication के numericals हम next part में देखेंगे. अभी next video में we are going to solve some MCQs on EM waves.